In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust legend labels in Microsoft Project. If you've ever printed a Gantt chart and seen a long legend that spills onto extra pages, this simple technique helps you control exactly which bar names appear. We're working in the Gantt chart, since that's the most common view to print, but you can follow the same idea for any view you plan to print. First, switch to the view you want to print. In most cases, go to the View menu and choose Gantt chart so you can see the bars you'll be documenting in the legend. Next, open the place where Microsoft Project keeps the legend's bar names. On the Format tab under Gantt chart tools, choose Format, then Bar Styles. This dialog is the control center for how bars look and how they're labeled. Focus on the name column. Every entry here corresponds to a bar type that can appear in your printed legend, things like task, critical, milestone, or summary. If the name shows up here, it's eligible to be listed in the legend when you print. To prevent a particular bar type from being included in the legend, add an asterisk at the very beginning of its name. For example, if you don't want milestone to appear, change it to start with an asterisk. Microsoft Project treats names that begin with an asterisk as hidden for legend purposes, so they won't be printed in the legend, even though the bars themselves still appear in your chart. Work through the list and add an asterisk only to the names you want to exclude. Be sure the asterisk is the first character. Adding it in the middle or at the end won't hide the label. You're not deleting anything or altering your schedule. This is simply a clean way to streamline the printed legend. When you print or preview the file, you'll notice the legend now includes only the bar names that do not start with an asterisk. If you ever change your mind, remove the asterisk from the beginning of the name and the label will return to the legend the next time you print. That's all there is to it. By choosing the view, opening bar styles from the Format tab, reviewing the name column, and prefixing unwanted labels with an asterisk, you can keep your printed legend concise and professional.